First, what you have to do is go to Amazon Pay and just sign in using your Amazon account. Next step is to click gift cards here, this option, and then you have to click redeem a gift card, this one, this button. Then you have to type the voucher code and click apply to your balance, or click the add to my account link on your email for Amazon email gift card. So just paste in your code here to claim and click apply to your balance. And after that, the next phase is to transfer money from Amazon Pay to your bank account. So you go to Amazon Pay, click send money, and then click to bank option and type your bank details. Now you have to tap pay now, and that's basically it. If you are not able to do that, you have to contact the Amazon customer support. To do so, you just log in into your Amazon account, then you click customer service, here this button, and then click payment, charges or gift cards, this, and then you choose problem with a gift card. Just select that one, and then select unable to use gift card and follow the on-screen prompts. This is the button here you have to click, and then you click I need more help. After that, you can request a phone call or chat with the Amazon customer support. Also, I will leave this article in the description below so you can check it out one more time. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next guide.